honored chief guest, Dr. Arshad, who just had a session with you and he had to leave just because of some very unavoidable reasons. Our guest of honors, our very special guests, respected parents, graduating class of 2024, and future. Welcome to this joyous occasion. I am speechless and I am really pleased to see the huge number of parents among us to celebrate this milestone in the history of little graduates of grade 1. So I think, yes, a huge round of applause for all the parents from the entire team of Bluefield Hall School. Well, today's evening is very important, and this moment is actually very important in the history of lives of these young graduates with a maximum age of 5 years. They have just completed their preschool, one first educational journey. They are celebrating first of the many graduations that they will experience in their life ahead. So this is a basic milestone that they have achieved today, and it's really a great pleasure that we all are gathered here to celebrate their moments basically. Taking the advantage, I would just want to recall a few memories, and I want to talk to my little graduates that I have seen them from their class reception, then foundation, and then pre-1 now. They have filled our classrooms with laughter and boundless energies. Each one of them has grown so much, not only in their heights, but in their knowledge, in their creativity, and in their kindness as well. Yes, they have learned how to be kind, how to be generous, how to be responsible, how to take care of the world around them. Because all the activities that they have conducted throughout the session, and not only throughout this session, throughout the journey of their preschool years, they are always part of every responsible initiative taken by BHS. Even today, they are speaking about the most important cause of Palestine. So these students, they have actually groomed and they have grown up in their knowledge and, boundless energies as well. Thank you to the parents as well, because this wouldn't have been possible without the valuable contributions of all of you. You are always, being very cooperative, whether you are taking care of your children at home, whether you are coordinating with our teachers at school, with the management at school. Your cooperation has been always phenomenal. So I would definitely like to appreciate your cooperation with us. And to my teachers, definitely without their tireless efforts, this wouldn't have been possible. Because they not only have taught these students ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, they have actually instilled into all these students all the basic values, how to become a nice human being. So credit goes to all the teachers as well. A huge round of applause for their tireless efforts. And yes, nothing is possible without behind-the-scenes efforts of our custodian staff. Our IJs with these little giants throughout these years, and then our sweepers, everybody's with us. So I would like to appreciate the efforts of our custodian staff as well. So I won't take much of the time because we have to distribute the degrees as well, and then we have to witness a few performances as well. Once again, thank you very much to all of you for being with us, and I would like to congratulate all the proud parents and all the proud graduating class of 2024. I wish you a very wonderful time ahead. Thank you very much.